upon a time, the chosen one. Who is the chosen one? The chosen one is the chosen one. The film opens on an article with the video icon next to it. The icon is then now dragged from the newspaper and onto a phone screen using a cursor. She turns around to mimic a clicking photograph with her fingers as a QR code appears. Translucent snapshots of articles start to float around her. The articles suddenly drop as she looks into the camera and casually Now experience, engage and express with the all-new Hindustan Times, designed for today's generation. Hindustan Times, first voice, last word. First voice, last word.